Hey guys, let's unbox this Tapo pan and tilt home security camera. So it has motion detection and tracking. You can use for person detection, babe crying, night vision up to 40 feet. Let me just check here more about this camera. You see here motion detection and tracking. Okay, so you have here also two-way audio, babe crying, local micro SD storage, so you can record up to 512 gigabytes, and you can also record into the cloud. Has customizable block zones. Here's the resolution, 2K, and field of view 360 and 100 degrees, right? Super good. Let me just open it up so you can see more details on this one. There we go. So you see here some screws and anchors for the installation. More of them. Here's some accessory also for the installation. A power supply. Of course, you're gonna have a power supply to power the camera, two of them, one for each camera. And just remove from the plastic, put it here, another one. So two camera and two power supply. Here are the camera. There we go. Pretty good. This one is a black version. So you see here that the camera can do this movement with the pan and tilt. So it looks up and down. And here you're gonna install the mount, and the camera is going to move. See here, it's a part that moves. You just connect the cable here to power it up, and you're good to go. And here on the bottom, you're gonna insert the SD card, and also have a reset button. Okay. So for both camera works like this. Pretty small. See here comparing to the side of my hand. You can just install this on a desk, for example, or you can install this on a mount and put upside down, invert the image, and work like this, right? So super easy to install. I'm gonna make another video showing the installation of this camera and the setup, right? So I hope this helps. That's all for today, just a quick unboxing. You can get this on Amazon. And if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.